So I made a new striker multi-tool, and I'm really proud of this because it does 4 things, and you can't get a tool that does that much stuff for bushcrafting anyway. You have your divot for your bow drill, and you got the bottle opener. Let me demonstrate that for that part. And then you have I use this back side here because it's nice and neat to use for flint and steel, but then the other side for the ferro striker. So let's do flint and steel. And the other part about it that I really worked at hard was to make sure they fit in an Altoids tin. Get things. Oh, I got to get a rock here just a second. I don't know if this has sharp edges or not, but we'll work on it. It doesn't. That might be one right there. There we go. And there it goes. I'm going to put it out with my stump here so I don't ruin all my good tinder. Okay, and then the last thing it does is the bow drill. And again, I'm unorganized here today. Sorry about that. I thought I had everything together, but let's do a bow drill, and I'll just get the coal going for this. Waste your time on it, but show you how everything works. A little windy out here. Hopefully that doesn't hurt anything. Kind of exposed in the front here. That's making a coal. So that's the divot right there, and you just hold it like this. Oops, got a false ember there. Better make sure I do it for you right. Quit too soon. So I'm thinking you can see it from there. I better zoom in a little bit, huh? There we go. Anyway, don't want to make this video too long, but I'm pretty proud of this little tool. It's a flint and steel striker, ferro rod striker, a bow drill divot, and a bottle opener, all in one little guy that fits into, there's a couple of them here, fits into an Altoids tin.